Hello everyone and welcome back to a new video. In today's video, I'll show you the easiest and most effective way to fix the D3DX9_30.dll is missing error, along with many other DLL file errors that can prevent your games or programs from launching. Before we get started, don't forget to like this video if you find it helpful. First, this method doesn't only work for D3DX9_30.dll. It can also fix many other missing DLL errors that you may encounter while launching games or applications. The first thing you need to do is download DirectX from the official Microsoft website. Simply open Google, search for DirectX, and click on the official Microsoft website in the search results. Next, click the Download button and wait for the installation file to finish downloading. Once the download is complete, double-click the installer to open it. Accept the license agreement, then click Next, and Next again. The setup will install the required DirectX components that many games and applications need to run properly. After the installation is finished, click Finish and restart your computer to apply the changes. Once your PC has restarted, launch the game again. In most cases, the DLL error should be completely resolved. If you're still experiencing the issue, you can also download the missing D3DX9_30.dll files separately. I'll leave the download link in the video description. After downloading the file, copy it into your game's installation folder, then launch the game again. However, I strongly recommend installing DirectX first as it's the safest and most reliable solution. In most cases, it fixes the problem without needing to download individual DLL files. That's it for today's video. If this tutorial helped you, please leave a like, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you don't miss future videos. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.